make them take a come begin to the hunt am with EFCC, maybe because in stand, make them release Nnamdi Kanu. You don't see all these things as political influence so that they go use them to work for 2000.
No, there's no political influence on it. Because in the first place, make I talk this thing. Nothing go make Nnamdi Kanu go into politics.
Okay.
You hear me?
Okay.
Nnamdi Kanu na Biafra Nnamdi Kanu. That thing where you believe in, nobody could change that. You don't talk about it. I know that. Not my client.
Okay.
So, secondly, court talk say, make you come bring one senator from their place. Now, you don't say, Nnamdi Kanu is being loved by everybody. Or even if court say, make about 100 Igbos come, about 20 senators come side for him, you go see people from outside who come side for him. So, they come meet, say, okay, they agree. Any nearby says, senator never say, I will come go side for him.
Okay.
You don't say it's a matter of life and freedom. They hear me? You can't sign for them. You hear me?
Yes.
Nobody say as a consign for Nnamdi Kanu. You get politics when Nnamdi Kanu won't follow them do. So, then because Nnamdi Kanu when they come out now, you go say, okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the way you go come say, wait, when I come help, make I perfect my bed condition. So as you go there, you see a Perimada and all whatnot, and the other senators, Southeast senators, where come here. As he come out, the Perimada is alarm, say, because now they cannot come to his house, they don't begin find a way where they go take polish him. Thinking maybe they talk saying in the assist, they come bring political angle to what Nnamdi Kanu they do. But make I say it clearly and unequivocally. All right. Nnamdi Kanu they do politics with Biafran project. If he's not doing it. And that cause he believes in, nobody could change that. That's the simple truth. So the fact that they pursue a mad now, where you say you can't talk for the Senate. Say they come plan one plan. Don't be sister, we said on 6th of this month. You want to go plant the plants of so before UFC begin defend themselves, say that allow you maybe to they want to plant anything for your house. Say again. So, but the most important that one make I tell you now, you see, Nnamdi Kanu they do politics with Biafran Restoration Project.
All right, now the level where they ask now, make we understand them. These people now they stand for him from the beginning. I've been for the 9 minutes they stand for.
They stand for him back.
Well, you know, say it is possible that if the court didn't say bring one senator, we don't go hear about them.
Okay.
You hear me? There are times they talk say. The way when I come, if I don't talk at certain time for press, you don't talk for press. Before Nnamdi Kanu was say, Nnamdi Kanu will come carry put for sale for prison. The court talk say, release this man. You don't release him. You know good. They say they obey court order. They practice rule of law in this country. All these things so that they flatter. You don't talk about it.
Okay.
And some Southeastern senators don't talk about it. You hear me? The other time we'll have one senate on the plan of Senate. So if you are talking about obedience to court orders, go and listen Nnamdi Kanu on other people where court don't say release them and you see they hold them. You hear me? So people have the right to express their views as to the talk now, freedom of expression and the other things. So which are considered fundamental guarantee rights. So you don't go say the person where going to talk because they talk what in their mind. You don't begin bring politics or bringing them the kind of for politics when they do. No.
All right. Okay. As to be like this. Now, you say Nnamdi Kanu gets 2 passports. Not be say you say, it is obvious, everybody see I'm saying gets 2 passports, British and Nigeria passport. Which role British play for this in detention?
Well, the truth is that since he was arrested, then I'm granted bail and they still refuse to obey court order. British government has been sending a delegation to the court. They do visit him in prison. They go prison, go see him. Every day we go court, they call people, they come from the office, from the embassy, and they tell you, they follow the proceedings. And we update them. Say, look at, even when they want to kill out, they go write letter to them. I say, these people want to kill this citizen also for prison. Look at what they do. That time when they come carry tear gas, go put for himself. When they want to kill him. Which the source up to today. I write them. I wrote to them. I wrote to federal government. I wrote to CG prisons. And the man, instead of addressing issues I raised in my letter, started talking rubbish. Say, forget about the issue I raised in my letter, begin to talk other things. Okay, so they send their representative to the court. The other time they do send people to go and visit them in the prison. This is all I can know. I know. they've done. Any other thing outside that, I don't think.
All right, finally, before we go, I beg. Finally, that's Radio Biafra. You know, say Nadia him been the talk for UK before him come visit Nigeria.
Yes.
Now, two questions I go ask you. Waiting carry and come visit Nigeria when you know say Nigeria they provoke, the government they provoke with waiting they talk there. And the radio, now who get them? Now he get them, now some people set the radio station up.
Radio Biafra, I don't talk at several times. Just like we get BBC for London. Radio Biafra for London is registered. Like just like Wazobia FM in Nigeria. You know, say as we talk now, people they hear for Russia everywhere.
Yes.
So you go tell people, okay, people don't listen to Wazobia FM because you know they're there. No, Radio Biafra is registered in London. So they get hear me. And the time when Nnamdi Kanu come down to East, come down to Nigeria, he come announcer. That will tell you say you don't have anything in mind. You know they plan any evil against the federal government. You come announcer to the world say, I want to go Nigeria, go see my people. Person when they plan one plan Q, you go announce them. Person want take over government, you go announce them. Person go conspire people to go and take over government, commit to the foreign, you go announce them. You can't announce them on air for that Radio Biafra. Say, I want to go home. May I go see my people for Nigeria. May I go visit my family members. Now, as he can't announce them, he can't come back. As he can't come back, they arrest him. So that will tell you that what thing they do without they play for that, what thing they do for that court no get head. You know, the man don't get any case for that. Because anything when they do, they talk and before they do something. I know we say they do bad thing. Somebody has the right to talk a woman. But I said this thing before we close. When the court was delivering ruling, this court, this judge, sometime, and they accused federal government, particularly the president of the country, that they come talk saying now they can't no court go listen. That settlement where the court do, they influence the mind of the president said, they influence the mind of the judges where they handle the matter. You know what the court say? The court said, Jofo, that is the president has the freedom of expression. Now, you there for ruling. Court say that is when president talk, the freedom of expression. I can't take court, okay. If the president they talk say no court can go out and bend, the freedom of expression. Now the court has the right. Also freedom to talk whatever they want to talk. All of them are not be freedom of expression. Why you can't arrest them? If president say Nnamdi Kanu cannot be granted bail because he came in with 2 passports, because he told this and told that, and court say now he exercises his freedom of expression. So anything when Nnamdi Kanu talk before he comes back to Nigeria, or they talk for Radio Biafra, now all of them are freedom of expression. No be offense. Thank you very much.
All right, finally, you don't answer the question. You only tell us, say, they register the radio station for London. Who get the radio station? Now, him get them, I mean, now some people get the radio station.
IPOB. Indigenous people of Biafra get them.
But now, after the arrest, now we can't hear of IPOB. Well, we know
because the government want the world to know about IPOB. That's the truth. Before the IPOB has been, that radio station has been on since 2008. And this certificate I will show you today has been on since 2008, 2010. Nobody here, they go to broadcast, people can listen, tune in to Radio Biafra, they listen and all whatnot. Listen to the message where they preach. Yeah, just like people they tune in to Wazobia FM, they listen to what they talk.
Like the Ijawon radio one time, Kudirat radio.
And all of that, both BBC, you know, say BBC, you go see this house people, they go carry that small radio, they put for their ear. They listen to them, they tune them. Say again. So, as they call it, now federal government, as you come arresting them, they can everybody go know about IPOB. Begin about Radio Biafra. People know them. Say again.
All right.
And Radio Biafra is a registered radio station in London.
All right, now, papers, they talk now, say the federal government of Nigeria, they don't make Nnamdi Kanu a hero. Not true?
Not true now. Not true. And that's more reason now, and now they say, we don't believe, you don't go agree. What you want to say, what you want. Now they say, make they go conduct referendum. Make them, let them put legislative process in place in the National Assembly that will guarantee the conduct of referendum. So that Nigerian people will determine whether the people of Biafra will determine whether they can go their own separate way or not. Don't be say one fight, don't they fight anybody.
All right.
And you hear me? Now peaceful agitation. You don't fight anybody, you don't carry weapon.
All right.
Even IPOB members don't carry weapon, they don't fight anybody. You can say IPOB, they are armless, they don't fight. And everybody have the right to self-determination as contained in our constitution. So they don't fight anybody. Okay. So thank you.
All right, finally, before you go, I know the time don't go. Yes, you know about the national, the national the confab where they been do before now. National conference. National conference where we say they say make them people they agitate for restructuring of Nigeria. You too, you agree with restructuring? I be make Nigeria the way it did.
You don't say Nigeria not expire now.
1914 to 2014.
You don't in the country now don't tell you say we have problem. Make we tell ourselves the truth. What is happening today in the country is obvious to everybody. You don't go hide that. It's time for us to come back and say, look, we discuss whether we go still stay together or not. Say they hear me?
Yes, sir.
I don't be saying go bring fight. Nobody go. You don't come for fight. You don't come for somebody say make go bring arm. No. Now we will come back and say make we discuss whether we go still there together or not. See what thing they happen now. Make I not talk am. There are many of them. We're not here for politics. Otherwise, I can address you on that. So it is time for us to come back. Tell us the truth. Make you not hide the truth from the people. Even my daughter, where they for secondary school, for primary school, don't know the truth. You go to ask me when I come back and say, Daddy, this and that. They know the truth. So it is time for us to come back and say, make we negotiate. I know whether we go stay together or not.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you very much. Barrister said Nigeria don't expire. So now 100 years they plan Nigeria for. 1914 to 2014. And many people they vex say even the name Nigeria, not be indigenous give us. Say now you go girlfriend. Now give us the name Niger area. Now we convert to.
So we will come back and negotiate.
I'm going to be girlfriend though.
Abi, all right. As you like this, you don't hear Barrister Ejiofor. Thank you for coming to Wazobia.
Thank you.
Kenyode, thank you for all the filming and
the video man with that. Well done.
All right, make you no feel safe to listen to the #1 radio station all over the world. And I will be #1.
And in case you missed the interview or you don't know what we talk from the beginning, just go with Facebook page Wazobia FM 99.5 Abuja.
Confirm.
We did here with the live video of everything we talk and not waiting that they hide.
We thank the Lord. All right, Barrister.
Thank you.
And you go tell us.
Confirm.
Yes,
Confirm.
You go,
Let's begin the confirm everybody.
All right, so the law. All right, you know, say Nigeria don't expire, but I mean Nigeria confirm patriotic. Remember.